Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav, and in this video I would like to share with you the main reasons for strained eye muscle. The first and the most common reason is a long time focus on the screen without rest and without watching to different distances. It's very stressful for the eyes. The second reason can be some tension in the body. For example, can be a pain in the neck or in the shoulders, the tension in facial muscles. With the muscles of the jaw, that is, the tension will be transmitted to the muscle of the eyes, and the person will not be able to relax. If the tension appeared in the neck, it will not give normal blood flow to the brain and eyes, respectively. There will be no normal tissue regeneration in the eyes and the brain, and recovery processes will be also partially blocked. The activity of the muscles and the mobility of the joints is very important, so that the blood flow can pass through our entire body. All muscles are in the layers of connective tissue, and this connective tissue is already attached to the skeleton, and the entire skeleton is connected by these connective tissues like ropes and working all together. If some tension can occur, for example in the leg, and give the wrong tension to the whole body to go higher and be reflected somewhere in the eyes. The mobility of the whole body is the most important factor. That is, if you move a little, means the renewability of the whole organism is weak, the general regeneration is weak, and oxygen supply is weak. And accordingly, all the cells of the body are also weakened, and the cells of the eyes, of course, also weakened. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information.